it looks like we are back in Seattle, as you can tell. So that means we are coming to the end of our cruise. Looks like they got the ship getting refueled for the next go around. But we did have an extended balcony, as you can tell. We got all this room. It was so nice. Check it out. I'll show you real quick. All the way back there. Ooh, look at that. And we have our couch. These cabinets up here are storage. Our table, our work table, was full of my stuff. This, drawers. We had our fridge here. But yeah, these ones had extra pillows, extra blankie. And then of course, these were storage too. So we could put more stuff up there, more up there. And then our closets, not too bad. And then 2 extra drawers down there for more storage. And then the wife had her closet, all closet, no storage, I mean no drawers. But you had storage next to the beds. Whoa, lights, turn the lights up. Lights on both sides. Of course the bed, TV even swiveled too, so that way if you wanted to watch it from the couch you could. And then of course our standard bathroom, stand-up shower. So a little messy, but we're leaving, so we're gonna clean it up. All in all, it was a great room. We were on deck 13, room 648. So all in all, what you guys say about this ship?
It was awesome. Any trip away from the city is awesome. Vacation time. Not back to reality.
Yeah, unfortunately, not into reality. But hope you liked the little room tour, a little last minute thing. Forgot to do it when we got here. So, but just one more time, check out this view. Can't get over how big this fucking balcony is. It looks like we got an overcast day. It looks like it wants to rain. Hopefully it holds off till we get to the hotel. And then we got plans to go see the Mariners game tonight, so we'll go see. But y'all have a good one. We'll see you on the next go round. Have a good day. Bye.